Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to our Learn from Home classes. And from this picture, I think all of you have understood which subject I am going to teach you today. This is your SST class, and guess who am I? Yes, I am your Panja ma'am taking the SST class of class 4. Now let us proceed with the first chapter. Now first chapter is about our beautiful country. Okay, now our India is unique in its physical and cultural diversities. Now write down this first point, our India is unique in its physical and cultural diversity. So look at the picture. So there are variety of landforms are there, rivers, mountains, plateaus, plains, and different types of people live over here with different religions. Different languages are spoken here. So it is unique in its own feature. Now we will come to the position of the country in the continent of Asia. That is the second point. Second point we will discuss now. Write down first, India lies in the central part of South Asia. So what is the second point? India lies in the central part of South Asia. Asia, we all know, it is the largest continent. We have learnt in our earlier classes. So it is the position of India in the continent of Asia. So India lies in the central part of South Asia. Now we concentrate in this rough sketch of India. I have tried to explain through this diagram. Now let us see what is there in the north. Okay, so the Himalayan range is forming a boundary in the north of India. Okay, look at this, Himalayan range is forming a boundary in the north of India. And what lies to the east? It is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is there to the east. This we have also learnt in class 2, 3 also, isn't it? Yes. Now what lies in the west? There is Arabian Sea lying in the west of India. Now we come to the south. What is there in the south of India? The Indian Ocean. So these are forming the boundary of India. Now let us come to the neighboring countries also. There are a few neighboring countries. What are they? China, Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Sri Lanka also. It is an island country. So these are the neighboring countries with which India is also sharing its boundary. Okay. Now let us proceed with the area of India. Now it is the 7th largest country in the world. India is 7th largest country in the world. This also we have done in our earlier classes. So look at the area now. From north to south, India stretches about 3,214 kilometers. From north to south, India stretches about, say, 3,214 kilometers. And from east to west, India stretches about 2,933 kilometers. So what is the area? It stretches about 2,933 kilometers from east to west. So this is the area of India, and it is the 7th largest country in the world. Now we come to the area of the coastline also. The coastline stretches about 6,100 kilometers. This is the coastline. Okay, it stretches about 6,100 kilometers. Now we will learn about few islands also. We have already learnt about the islands, a piece of land surrounded by water. So these are the islands which are present in the Bay of Bengal. And what is the name of these islands? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal, and in the Arabian Sea another group of island is there. See, it is Lakshadweep Island. Okay, so these things you have to remember by heart. Okay, these are the some basic things. Later on we will proceed with other points. Now let us summarize with the given points. Now India is our beautiful country. So number one, what is the first point? India is a beautiful country. Okay. Now second, it lies in the central part of Asia. It lies in the central part of South Asia. Are you copying? Please try to copy this from the screen. Your guardians will help you. Achha, third point, it has Bay of Bengal to its east. So what is there in the east? Bay of Bengal. And what is there in the west? Arabian Sea. And to the south lies the Indian Ocean. Okay, and now in the north the Himalayan range is forming the boundary. Okay, now let us come to the islands also. Now what are the two islands? The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island is in the Arabian Sea. Now another thing what we have learnt regarding the area, India is the 7th largest country in the world according to the area. Okay, now what, remember these area what I have taught you today in the map I have given. India stretches for about 3,214 kilometers from north to south. Please learn these things. And for about 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Okay. Now, and the coastline of mainland is about 6,100 kilometers long. So you have to remember these points which I have highlighted. Now come to the neighboring countries. The neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is the island country. Now, so these things you will learn thoroughly, and in the next class we will discuss about the next portion of the chapter. Okay, thank you.